right, hi everyone. Caitlin Reeder back with another tip video on how to do calendar. I'm going to show you 3 different ways. Show you how to stand up in person and do calendar, how to use your document camera, and how to share screen and annotate so that everyone can see. On the floor again, I have my blue tape to show me where to stand so that I know I'm in view. On my table, I have my camera on its pre-marked spot for calendar so that I know everyone can see. Now the best part about this is the in-person kids can see and the virtual can see too. However, it is a little far away for the virtual students, so you may want to consider that when you're choosing which calendar option you want to do. From here, I can go through my normal calendar routine question. I can go over the month, the day, yesterday, today, tomorrow. I can do our schedule, talk about the temperature, the day of the week, the weather. I can do my hundreds, tens, ones, my number routine, and I have my hundreds chart over here. I can also do anything physical that I want to do. I can say, all right, boys and girls, let's skip count by 5s today. 5, 10, 15. All right, we're going to do to the sky for 10, 10, 20, 30. You really have plenty of space to act out anything that you want to act out. As you get closer to the computer, you're in a chair, you're a little bit more confined. So take your pros, take your cons, pick which way you want to do it. This is how you would stand and do calendar up here. Now I'm going to move to my computer, and when I sit down, I need to remember that my virtual students can no longer see me. So I need to turn my camera, super easy to do, maybe lift it up, make sure that they can see my face, and I'm still in view for them. A great tip would be to send home an interactive calendar for your students to participate along with you. That way they're not just staring at the screen. They can have a dry erase marker, an eraser, and when you ask them to circle the month or to circle the season or even write the number, they can be following along with you and participating with their class. Now I'm going to put this back under my document camera, and first I'm going to show you how to share digitally on the screen. So I have that same camera pulled up in my file. I'm going to share my screen. You'll see that my virtual students condense over to the side again. I can adjust them. And then over here, I have that same calendar. Okay? Now the really cool thing about Zoom, which is the platform I'm using today, is that I can come down here to my tools and I can annotate, which means I can draw on the computer screen the same time for my at-home students to see and my in-person students to see. So maybe I'm telling my at-home kids, all right, I want you to circle today's date. Today is Monday the 5th. And I'm going to have them circle that. And then I'm going to say, all right, everybody hold up their calendars. Everybody show me. Make sure I'm facing the video, right? And you can do a real quick check to make sure your kids at home are being part of the lesson. Now, there's nothing stopping you from your kids in the classroom having this too. The more interaction, the better. Okay? I can scroll down. I can clear my screen. Come down here. Now we can talk about all the other good things. Bring back up my annotation tools. Maybe I want to make it fun, change the color. Today's sunny. When I fill out my thermometer, color it in, bring it up. Today's a warm day. And I can do all of that while asking interactive questions. All right, boys and girls, what's the temperature today? What's the season today? How many months do we have in a year? That's right, we have 12. Who knows what our current month is? I'm going to ask a virtual student, what's our current month? They're going to answer. I'm going to say, good job. Now I'm going to ask an in-person. Our month is October. Who knows what number we use for October? That's right, October is the 10th month of the year. Now, if you're not comfortable with sharing screen in this format, let me turn it off. You can always use your document camera as well. Okay. Remember for your document camera that you might have to slide down, adjust your camera a little bit, and now you can do an actual hands-on calendar right here under your document camera. Be careful, sometimes these plastic sleeves will leave a little bit of a glare. Okay, you can always tilt them to get rid of that glare. There's lots of ways to make it work. So, 3 quick tips on how to do calendar with your students. standing in person, using your document camera, or digitally sharing on your computer. Everybody gets to participate. Everybody gets to win for that activity. Thanks, guys.